How to copy a link of your post on Instagram. Hello guys, today I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in our channel. So let's start. First, you will just open your Instagram. After this, when your Instagram is open, you will just go down here on your profile, then open your profile, and then when your profile is opening, you will just go to for example, I wanna like copy the link of this picture. I will just click on this 3 point here, then I will click link, then it's copied. For example, if I will type it here, as you see, it's copied. And that's it guys. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.